We're starting this edition with some breaking news coming in from West Bengal, where Trinamool Congress's Arabul Islam of Bhangar constituency in South 24 Parganas breaks his own party office and sets it on fire for not getting a ticket to contest the polls. These are images that are basically coming in where you can see TMC leader Arabul Islam, who breaks his own party office. We'll try and go across to my colleague Piyush to get us the details as to when exactly did this incident take place, because remember earlier in the day the list of candidates were already declared by Mamata Banerjee, and now a controversy breaking out where you have one of Trinamool Congress's senior leader Arabul Islam now actually breaking his own party office because he wasn't given any ticket. Let me try and go across to Piyush. Piyush, what's the latest that you're picking up? An upset Trinamool Congress leader setting ablaze his own party office?
Well, Shivan, this has happened soon after the announcement of the list of candidates for the upcoming West Bengal polls by Trinamool Congress Supremo Mamata Banerjee. Remember that top leaders of TMC were also present, and soon after the announcement of the list of candidates, Arabul Islam, who is also TMC leader, he set ablaze his own party office. He was not happy because he was not given ticket by Mamata Banerjee. Remember that many sitting MLAs have already been dropped by Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, because this time she is saying that she wants to give more chance to women and younger candidates. But there are some leaders who are not happy with this, and that's why one of the leaders, Arabul Islam, from South 24 Pargana, he has set his own office on ablaze. He was not happy that he was not given ticket, and this could be the beginning, because there are many other leaders in TMC who are not happy. So one of them is now expressing his displeasure by putting his own office on fire. We'll have to wait and watch as to how the police is now going to react, if they are going to investigate this entire matter. But indeed, it has once again raised the questions on the law and order situation. We have seen how political violence has become a story. Every now and then we are seeing such a kind of violence is taking place. And this time, now Arabul Islam, who is now setting his own office on fire, this is by expressing displeasure, is certainly raising questions there on the law and order. But the incident took place soon after the announcement of the list of candidates by Mamata Banerjee of 291 candidates, out of which many were younger people. A maximum of them were 40, below the age of 40, and good number of women have also been given a ticket. So Arabul Islam was not happy because he was not given ticket, and that is why it has happened. We'll have to see how the police is now going to react on this incident.
Well, thank you very much, Piyush, for breaking down the details of this incident that took place a short while ago. Remember, Trinamool Congress has now declared the list of candidates. All eyes essentially are now on one of the most hotly contested seats, that happens to be Nandigram. Let's also shift focus now to the other big story that we have been tracking.